Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best cotton mattress pads in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Whisper Organic's 100% organic cotton quilted fitted mattress pad cover. Whisper Organics is a family-owned and operated company that aims to protect the environment by using healthy and sound production and farming procedures. The brand uses 100% organic cotton grown in fields that are certified by the Global Organic Textile Standard. This non-toxic mattress pad is free from harsh substances that may be harmful to your health. This pure organic cotton mattress pad is skin-friendly, ensuring that you will only have the smoothest and softest texture to surround you while you sleep for long hours at a time. It is naturally hypoallergenic, so you can rest assured that it can be used safely by those who have sensitivities or allergies to harsh substances and common allergens. The 100% cotton cover is designed to absorb moisture so you can spend long hours sleeping without being bothered with an uncomfortably warm and sweaty feeling that can disrupt your blissful slumber. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sealy Luxury 100% cotton fitted mattress pad. Sealy is a mattress brand that is sold and marketed by Sealy Tempur International. This mattress pad offers a firm supportive surface that also adjusts to your body weight to help you get the best sleep experience night after night. This pure cotton mattress pad comes with a luxuriously soft 300 thread count top part that welcomes you with the most inviting texture as soon as you lie down on this surface, keeping you surrounded by ultra softness that can quickly lull you to sleep. It comes with a high fill loft that adjusts to your body's curves so you can lie down in the most welcoming surface throughout the night. You will feel like lying down on a bed filled with soft clouds even as your spine is kept in a properly aligned position when you sleep, regardless of the sleeping position you prefer. The mattress pad offers firm support that keeps your body properly aligned while you sleep to prevent the discomfort that comes from lying down in an unnatural condition for hours at a time. Number 3. Our third best pick is Abacon Mattress Pad Cooling Mattress Cover. This mattress pad combines the breathability of a 100% cotton cover with the softness of a down alternative filling to provide you with the most comfortable sleep experience for years to come. It keeps the mattress underneath protected to prolong its high-quality features. This cotton mattress pad is designed with high-density quilting that ensures you will have the most comfortable sleep that will not be disturbed by filling material that shifts or bunches in uncomfortable spots. It comes with a luxuriously soft pillow top that prevents pressure points from developing so you can sleep comfortably without feeling pain in pressure-sensitive body parts. The top cotton layer offers superior breathability that keeps heat from getting trapped, so the surface stays cool to keep you protected from an overheated feeling while you sleep throughout the night. The advanced snow down alternative filling offers the welcoming surface of a down filling but without the allergies that are commonly triggered by authentic down or goose filling. This filling gives you the right level of cushioning to facilitate restful slumber night after night. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Maxi Queen Mattress Pad Topper. Mastertex is a privately owned corporation that focuses on the manufacture, design, and sale of bedding products including mattress pads, pillows, sheets, and comforter sets. This mattress pad offers the luxuriousness of a pure cotton cover with the comforting cushioning of a down alternative fill. This mattress pad provides a luxuriously soft surface for you to sleep on, so you can fall asleep faster and enjoy a restful night of sleep while being surrounded by the most inviting texture. The satin jacquard fabric ensures that you will not have to worry about dealing with an abrasive material when you are in bed. All the materials used in this mattress pad are hypoallergenic, so you can rest assured that you and your loved ones will not be exposed to the risk of allergy or sensitivity triggers that can disrupt an otherwise restful night of sleep. The cotton material enhances this pad's breathability to prevent heat from getting trapped and works to dissipate warmth so you can sleep peacefully without being disturbed by an overheated sensation even when you barely move from your sleeping position throughout the night. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Mattress Quilted Mattress Pad Cover. Mattress is a professional household brand that aims to enhance customers' quality of life by creating top-quality household products. This mattress pad uses premium materials to keep your mattress protected and give you the most comfortable sleep possible. This mattress pad offers outstanding breathability that allows air to freely move through the material, preventing heat from accumulating inside so you can sleep soundly without waking up numerous times during the night because of an overly warm sensation. It works to keep your body fully supported while you sleep, so you can rest assured that your spine will stay in a correctly aligned position to prevent body pains when you wake up the next morning. The soft cotton filling offers efficient pressure relief by ensuring that your body weight is placed equally on the surface to protect pressure-sensitive body parts from rubbing or pressing uncomfortably into the mattress. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.